Why expand to Amazon brand registry? Well, maybe it's the ability to remove counterfeits, the ability to have premium A+ content, videos on your listings, 3D models, and much, much more. We're going to be talking about it in today's video. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you all of Amazon brand registry benefits that they have to offer you. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. In short, is Amazon brand registry worth it? Yes, it is worth it. It's like getting VIP access to a club. You get all these extra benefits like removing hijackers, 3D images, getting reviews with Vine, and much, much more. So it's totally worth it in my perspective. And if we go to sell.amazon.com/brand registry, we can look at it into it more and see how to sign up and more benefits. So Amazon says, launch your brand with Amazon, enroll your brand in Amazon brand registry to become eligible to activate a suite of brand building tools and protection benefits. And you can see all of the big brands. You also get a 10% back on branded sales if you're a new seller. Why create an Amazon brand registry account? Secure your brand, improve customer experience, monitor your progress. And then it says enroll your brand in Amazon. So the only thing you need to actually get access to Amazon brand registry is a brand name or logo and a trademark. During enrollment, you create a brand registry account and provide detailed information about your intellectual property and products, which helps us understand and safeguard your brand. So you got the IP Accelerator, build your own brand, you got A+ content, 3D models, brand stores, and so much more. So number one benefit is going to be removing fakes on Amazon. Once you start making a lot of money on Amazon, no matter what product you're selling, somebody's gonna come in and try to rip your brand off or sell fakes. So we can see this as an example. Could be a fake product that's violating one of our clients' utility patents. So all we have to do is copy their ASIN up here. Then we can go to brandregistry.amazon.com, go to protect, report a violation, type in the ASIN right here. And let's say it's violating our patent, and we can report them for patent infringement to get them removed off of Amazon. So that's going to be benefit number one. Number two is going to be product lifecycle support. Now, not a lot of people talk about this or even know about this, but this product support page, you can only have access if you're brand registered. And what it does is it reduces your Amazon returns. Let me show you how. So you enroll in these programs, and what happens is, let's say I bought a Versace cologne, or I bought an item, a customer bought an item. Now they're gonna click return items. When they click return items, it doesn't give them the option to return. It says contact the manufacturer. It provides all these extra steps to make it more difficult for the customer to return the item. So they have to contact you first, or they have to go and click other return options and click through all these buttons before they can even return the product. This will reduce returns, and that's super important, so that way you can make more income in your business. Number three isn't talked about much, and it's 3D models. So 3D shopping experience and support products types. You can have now a view in 3D, view in your room, AR virtual try on for shoes, AR virtual try on for eyewear. Crazy enough. So if you go to Amazon on your mobile phone, you can see, like, if I want to buy this chair, you can see view in 3D, view in your room. And this does help increase sales by around 10%. That's what Amazon is saying right now. So you can implement this. You can hire somebody on Fiverr to create a 3D unit of your item that you can upload it to Amazon, and then you can have this on your listing. So you can see, you can click view in 3D, and if we go over, you can see, oh, this is cool. And I'm like, hey, what about, can I look under the chair to see like what the bolts look like, what it looks like? And I can actually kind of see under the chair. I can see it in my office, see it in my room before I buy it, which definitely helps with the buying experience. It's great for high priced items. So you can now I can look under it, when in the photos I couldn't see under it, or I couldn't see the back of it. So this definitely helps to increase sales. Number 4, and you may have already heard about this, is Amazon Vine. When you're launching a new product on Amazon, the super important thing that you need is Amazon reviews. Amazon Vine allows you to give away up to 30 units in return for up to 30 reviews. So you can give 30 units away and try to get 30 reviews. And we can see for this product where the Amazon Vine reviews right here. So we can see Amazon Vine customer review, free product. Pretty pink colors, they feel well made, comes with everything pictured. 5-star. Most Amazon Vine reviews are like 5-star or 4-star. So they're usually pretty darn good unless the Vine reviewer is having a bad day. Because if you gave somebody a free product, usually they're gonna say something good about it because it's free. So again, I would prefer more in-depth instructions to be included, and they do actually provide good stuff. Hey, better instructions, but everything else is good. So now you know, next time, better instructions, right? Another 5-star, another 4-star. So it's just like 5, 4, 5, 4. So it definitely helps increase reviews. Now this one's not from a Vine reviewer, but they left a 1-star, right? But the Vine reviews will definitely help you increase your sales and get those initial products moving because you're gonna have reviews. Last but not least, number 5 is going to be A+ content. Now this helps your listing stand out, and it also helps you get more ranking and backend keywords on Amazon. I'm gonna explain it. So when somebody's on their mobile and they see your listing and they scroll down, they're going to see a nice little entourage of pictures. And this can help you make or break your listing and make people want to buy it. This definitely helps with sales. And I would say, again, another 10 to 20% increase in sales if you have brand registry and have A+ content. Not only that, you can put special backend keywords behind this. And let's see right here. So you can put special backend keywords behind the photos to help you rank on Amazon. And that could be the difference in you showing up number 1 or you not showing up at all. Now for staying towards the end of the video, I'm gonna be giving you all of the brand benefits that Amazon offers. And we already talked about A+ content, the 3D models. Now you can also have your own brand store, which is like a mini website. You can run special advertising. You can have special posts like social media, brand analytics, metrics, Vine, customer reviews, brand tailored promotions, Amazon Live, sponsored display. You can run experiments, brand referral bonus, virtual bundles. Amazon just keeps adding more and more and more stuff to brand owners. So it's definitely your best interest to be a brand owner. If you're not a brand owner, it is going to be a lot harder to succeed on Amazon long term because you're up and you're competing against brand owners. So just be aware of that. I highly recommend that you do get yourself involved and get into brand registry so you can gain all of these benefits for your listings. And that's it for today's video. If you learned something new, comment below. And if you did like this video and you did learn something new, drop a like. If you're already an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to this channel because we're giving you away great content that's gonna help you in your Amazon journey. Of course, if you need help with anything on Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com right in the description. We specialize in Amazon, and our #1 service is our full management service where we'll audit your listings, audit your entire account, and create a step-by-step plan where we work with you to increase your sales, expand internationally, and much, much more. Just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com today. I'm Josh Hackett, and I'm signing out.